When to use parallel nodes in Color Page in DaVinci Resolve. From Qualifier tab, use Dropper tool and click on your subject face to select it. Now in the Nodes area, you can see that some parts of the video are selected. Right-click on the node and choose Add Node, add serial before. Select the new node and drag Offset handle to the right. Now you can see that as I drag it, the selection I made in the next node is changing. And that's the downside of the serial nodes. Here we can use parallel nodes instead. Parallel nodes allow you to apply multiple color corrections simultaneously to the same clip, without the corrections affecting each other. Undo the changes to when you selected your subject face. Right-click on the node and choose Add Node, add parallel. Select the parallel node and drag the offset handle. Here you can see that changing this node does not affect its parallel node. To add a node after parallel, right-click and choose Add Node, add serial.